Hi guys, welcome back to Edith Tech. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show how can you create a Google account. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update. So now let's get started. At first, you should open Google. Then click here on the More option. Then you will have to click over here. And then right down below, you will be able to see Add Another Account option. Click on it. Then you will be redirected to a page which looks like this. As we have to create a new account, we'll be clicking on the Create Account option. After clicking on it, you will be able to see two options, for myself and to manage my business. Now this completely depends on you what you are going to choose. If you want to use the Google account for your personal use, then choose for myself. And if you want to use it for your professional work, then choose the second option. Now, I'll be choosing the first option because I'm creating this account for my personal use. Then, you have to write your first name and your last name. And then click on Next. Then, it will ask some of your basic informations as you can see on the screen. You will have to fill them all. And then click on Next. Then, you have to write your Gmail address which you want to choose in this box. Now you have to choose your password. Then after choosing your password, you have to click on Next. And you have to go down and click on Yes, I am in. And as you can see, they will say to review your account info. Now if it's correct, then click on Next. And scroll down and click on I agree. So as you can see, the new account is added. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.